Hey everyone, today we're going to be replacing a third brake light on a 2010 F150. See, it's all cracked through there. Can't hold it on anymore, the gasket's shot. Got this off Amazon. Looks like it should fit. Let's see. So yeah, the truck's filthy. These are the screws came out of the third brake light. Make sure you don't lose those. I've heard that they are super expensive to replace. So we take the screws out, and this should pop right out. And we'll swap out the lights from here. So this looks pretty simple. You take the LED cargo light, it says. They come with the push fit plugs already on it. Fits right in these. These are just a quarter turn, come out of the back of the old housing. Looks like you plug them straight in, and we should screw in, we're ready to roll. There's the lights plugged in here. I took some rubbing alcohol, scrubbed off around where the old gasket was. Make sure it fits well. What we'll do here, we'll push these back in and plug this one in. It doesn't have anywhere to connect these two. I've seen some others that do, but not this one. Should fit just like that. Let's see. Alright everyone, so I don't know what the deal was there, but I couldn't get it to light up. Either the cargo light or the brake light. I'm not sure what that was about. But I think we got it fixed now. One thing I found is that if you don't plug in one of these, it works better. So that's for one cargo. That's the other cargo. I'll probably find a way to cap this off so I don't get any loose voltage there in the brake light. So let's see, put it back together again. And there we have it.